To convert photo into sticker in Canva, let's come over to our photo editor here and bring in our photo. Your photo will open up in this interface, and let's click on create design. If you don't have a photo, you can always come to Elements Library here and come over to photos here to search for the kind of photos you want to work with, but we will stick with what we already have. And I will come over to edit here and come over to Magic Studio, and I will slide and use the magic grab feature. My image is highlighted. I will click on it and I will click on grab. Once I have the image separated from the background, I'm going to go back into edit and come over to shadows and select the outline shadow, and I will come down to the color of the outline and give it a white color. I can choose to increase the intensity. Once I have this, I will click on the background image and I will delete it. Now let me just change the color of the background so it gives it a contrast a bit. Come over to background color and change that to black. Now I will go over to share and click on the transparent background and hit on download. That way, once I download this image, I'm going to have it as a sticker.